Who is Michael Herrera? Today we'll learn the story of an ex-Marine who claims to have had an out-of-this-world experience that would shock even the most open-minded. It involves a UFO, Marines, private military units, psychic human trafficking, and potentially reversed alien technology, all wrapped up in a bow of a good old-fashioned global cover-up.
Michael's team leader, I'll just use his first name. His name's Nathan. He has a lot of credibility to speak against Herrera because he was his team leader.
How do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Nathan. I was Herrera's team leader on the 31st MU back in the day. I was in the Marines 2007 to 2015. I'm just here to tell my little piece of the story.
Do you remember meeting Michael Herrera, like the first time you ever met him, or?
This is a kind of a unique part of it is we went to boot camp in the School of Infantry around the same time. I don't remember if I knew him there, but my first recollection of meeting him, he got brought over to our company and he put in our platoon and he was given to me. It was a weird situation because we just got back from our first deployment, and in the Marine Infantry, like your first year, your first deployment, it's terrible, and then it's kind of like a tradition. So he shows up, and my recollection is he went UA. Basically, he just ran away. Didn't go on the first deployment, right? So when he came to me, I had to treat him like he was the brand new guy with all the other brand new guys. So it was a weird situation because he'd be like, "Oh, Nathan, oh, what's up?" And I'm like, "Nope, you're getting treated like everyone else." So that's how I first met him, because it was a weird situation. He was in a different company. And what I heard was he took off, didn't go on the deployment. So
How do you do something like that? Like, how do you take off and not go on deployment? Like,
just run away.